Sirkal kolo wacho ni gionge midhiero kata matin kod gima ne nie tugo kara drama mar Echoes of War mane onego tugi kod jopuonjre mag Butere Girls e tuke mag sekondari kidieny mar Nationals. Ka ok kamano, jatend migawo mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen olero ni tend skundno noketho chik kuom yiene mane en seneta ma Kakamega ma bende jandiko mar tugono Cleophas Malala tiego jopuonjre tugono ataro mar dwach TSC. Yuaruok ewi tuk drama mar duond lweny kata Echoes of War mar skul nyiri ma Butere Girls pod dhi nyime ka jotelo mopogore medo golo pachgi kotenore kod tugo makamano. Jatend migawo mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen okwede weche maliekore ni sirkal ne nyalo bet ni oluoro weche mantiere ei drama no mar Echoes of War.
I saw people saying, oh, the government is threatened by what? I mean, we have faced so many other political issues. We have faced more serious security issues as a country. To be threatened by a play by young people. Let the politicians give way and allow our children to criticize us. We have no problem. Allow them to also explore ways of communication that is going to help them grow to be responsible citizens.
Wach mosir kod nyawadgi mar somo Julius Migos mawacho ni midhiero maduong' e tugono ne en yiene jandik tugono mabende en jasiasa Cleophas Malala tiego jopuonjre ataro mar chik.
You can get a script from anybody, but you cannot be the one directing or training the students for that particular play. So that is the disconnect. The disconnect was not that Malala had done the play, it is that he wanted to be the one directing, which is against the regulations.
Ogama mane lose skul nyiri ma Ichuni Girls County ma Kisim omedo ni ng'ikruok machielo manokelo midhiero ne tugono en lokruok manoketie tugono tok tuge rang'eny mar regional.
I have told you there was no problem with the original script. It is when it was altered that now it became an issue with that area at the regional level. So don't keep going back to that issue as if it's not an issue. You can write and the student would be able to play it, but it was altered and alteration is not allowed under the regulations. I need you to understand that.
Jonyuol kori kwa mondo bed motang' kod jogo ma yienegi e skunde ma nyithindgi some.
Mimi vile najua Malala ni mwanasiasa kama mimi, na mimi najua masomo yake. Yeye sio mwalimu. Kwa hivyo sijui ile maneno alikuwa ameenda kufanya pale ndani ya shule ilikuwa kazi gani. Na sana sana hii ni shule ya wasichana.
As parents and as Kenyans, senior Kenyans and as adults, we must be able to call it out for what it is. Let our children be children. Let our children be taken to school by those who are competent and qualified.
Jagoro mogirore migawo mar somo Julius Bitok mane yuore tuke mag skunde sekondargo mapod dhi nyime kaunti ma Nakuru osingo ni biro mede rido chike matayo tuke e skunde ma pachoka.
Thorough review of rules and regulations so that incident don't occur again in future. Our aim is to ensure that we refine the rules, to ensure that everybody is given a fair chance and that everybody gets an opportunity to display their talent.
Gikone Butere Girls nochweyo dok pacho to kanye gitamre tugo tukgino mosekelo liet ahinya e pachoka Echoes of War.
We are all worried. Anybody who is speaking in this matter needs to be mindful of the lives of these girls. They have a long way to go. All that experience is quite traumatizing, and as a church we prepared to take them through guiding and counseling.